Hi and welcome to Nick Well Motorhomes. I'm Andy and this is a Wellhouse conversion. It's the Nissan Serena. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's not a motorhome. And you'd be right, but you'd also be wrong as well. It is a Wellhouse conversion and it's surprisingly how well converted this thing's been. It is a car, you're absolutely right. I mean, you can take this to school, you can take it to go and do your shopping, you can use it as your everyday run around, but you'll be surprised at the spec on the inside, which we'll go into in a little bit more detail in a moment. But the big problem with a lot of motorhomes for a lot of people is just to find the big white box that sits there for months on end doing nothing at all. Not a problem with this bad boy. It's a mild hybrid, it's a petrol, 2012, it'll travel 4 people and it will sleep 2. So let's have a look around. Well, you can see it's finished in silver. It's 4 doors. We've got wind deflectors on the windows just here. Electric hookup point just there. We have reversing sensors and we have a reversing camera, which is just there as well. External 230 volt, and we have a gas outlet just here as well. And as I said, this thing can sleep 2 people. Now, usually when we do these videos, we start in the cab and we work our way back. But I'm not going to do that today because we're emphasising the fact that this is more of a camper and most of the campers at the back of the van. But before we go around there, I want to show you this. Now, we've been saying this is like a car, but you don't find many solar panels on top of your car. So again, we're going more down the camper van route. And when we go around the back, you'll see this a lot more. So to start off with, you can see there, we've got an ingress for your table leg. You've got your tabletop just here. Now, as I come inside, we've got the roof popped up so you can see I've got plenty of headroom just down here. There you go. Look, I mean, I'll grant you I'm not the tallest, but I'm struggling to touch the roof. Then here we've got your 2 gas hobs. Here we've got your sink, compressor fridge just here. Some storage just underneath the sink there. And probably something you're really not going to be expecting is what's in here. We have a toilet. Now, there's a lot of vans twice this size that you don't get a toilet in. So again, it's really surprising what they've done with the space. Then over here, we've got your electrics just down there in more storage above. Over on this side, we have more storage and you've got your Desmo table leg there. Now, the point with the table leg is you can take this table leg, you slot that into one end, tabletop goes in there, so you can now use the table outside. You don't have to have it fixed into the van. So again, it means you don't have to take a secondary table along with you. Yeah, just a great use of space. It's compact, but they've got so much in. The other big beauty of this particular van is the flexibility of the seating. Now, as you can see, something again which you wouldn't expect on a van of this size is both the captain seats swivel so they become part of a lounge area with your 2 passengers. And the seats are all independent, so if we want to move this one forwards or this one forwards, or again either of these 2, we can. Also, this centre console part here can move all the way around, and if we want to open that up and slide it down and take this further forward, well, we can. So again, you've got options, and the more options you've got in any van, the better. But as you can see, it just really works. Now, the other thing to show you while we're back here is just down here, because we've got your heating controls. Yeah, you heard me, heating. We've got our 12 volt control panel, we've got a 230 volt, we've got a couple of USBs in there as well. Again, everything you'd expect in a much, much larger motorhome. Now, you've got to remember this is a 2012, and I'm saying this because this thing's got more on it than my car has. You've got electrically operated folded in mirrors. You've got electric windows, which you'd expect. It's an automatic gearbox. You've got driver and passenger airbags. We've got extra storage just above the steering wheel there. The media center is DAB and it is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Again, something you wouldn't really expect. You've got climate control, air conditioning, more storage just down here with your cup holders, just there. More storage just down here. It's got everything you'd want in a car. But like I say, it's also a motorhome as well. So yeah, it's getting very difficult to find something wrong with this thing. So there you have it. 2012 Nissan Serena with a Wellhouse conversion. Incredibly well spec'd. It's a day-to-day runner. It's an automatic. It's very, very comfortable to drive. Yeah, it's very difficult to find something that it doesn't do very well for the size of the vehicle that you're looking at. If it's something you are interested in, be quick, because I might end up buying it myself. The more I look around this thing, the more it ticks the boxes. I'll see you soon. Love this. Bye-bye.